We recently spoke to Ashesi University in Ghana about how they have adopted ARM education materials to help them teach their embedded system design curricula and help students understand this key subject area.
My name is Francis Agbekogachi. I'm a Ghanaian and I'm a lecturer at Ashesi University. I teach communication systems, networks and data communication, computer organization and architecture. I have taught embedded systems before and now trying out Internet of Things. When I joined the university in the second semester, I was supposed to teach embedded systems, and I've done embedded system at my master's level. I wanted materials that may be available to shorten the time that I will be spending on preparing for the course. And so I was searching on the internet and I came across ARM Education. ARM recommended the textbook that they were using. So I found the material, the online resources and everything to be helpful, both for me and for students. They're using the ARM education material or kits help us to actually adopt embedded system easily and to have an array of examples that we could work with. There are subject areas that ARM has already outlined. We can group them. We have gaming technologies, we have Internet of Things, we have embedded systems, digital signal processing. And among these, the three topmost ones for us will be embedded systems, Internet of Things, and digital signal processing. I would recommend ARM above others. I also think that ARM has commitment towards this. It's not just a program they design and they left out there, but we have a company that is actually driving this. We have people that are following up. I think ARM has fulfilled these requirements and we can only hope that it continues.